Good morning, friends. Today is the 30th of January and I'm Shuchi Runta presenting Monday's morning market update. Well, friends, we have seen 2.3% fall on the Nifty 50 and over 5% fall on the Bank Nifty last week. Finally, our mentioned range of 17,818 to 50, where the markets has been consolidating over 6 weeks, has been taken off and broken on the lower side, breaking the 17,800 level. We have been constantly highlighting this fact over the weeks that the bias was in the favor of the bears as prices traded below the averages. Market breadth was always in the favor of bears, and even on good days, the number of stocks which went up was much lower than the number which went down. Now, what next? Yes, the Nifty has broken out of a pattern. Momentum indicators are negative and there are no oversold or bottom out signs on them yet. The Dow theory sell has been confirmed as the index breaks the previous swing low. 17,300 is the minimum level which the index may test gradually. So the broader trend is down, yes. Now considering the budget week ahead, can we have a pullback? Well, the India VIX has gained over 25% in the last week. Volatility is here to stay and 17,800, 900 levels are the new resistance ceilings where the selling pressure will be seen. On the downside, Friday's low is where the 200 exponential moving average and the Fibonacci 61.8 level of the previous rallies lies. Hence, Friday's low act as an important support for traders. Break of this low will further accelerate fall till 17,300. Talking of sectors, among the strong sectors we see auto and IT, whereas the trend and the momentum of all the other sectors are weak, but would like to highlight that Nifty mid cap, small cap index, PSE and the metal index all are at their major support zones after the last week fall. We need to keep a close watch for the next few trading sessions as how these index behave here. Bank Nifty, the star outperformer of the last few months, has broken down and is now under the underperforming pocket. 39,800 levels can be seen soon on this index too. SGX Nifty trades flat currently. And to conclude, traders should sit tight and indulge into trades with calculated risk with very strict stop losses. Levels for the day, Nifty support will be seen at 17,500 and 17,300. Resistance will be seen at 17,765 and 17,800. For Bank Nifty, support will be seen at 40,150 and 39,800. Resistance at 40,800 and 41,400. Thank you.